Welcome to my YouTube channel. As the title of this video suggests, I'm going to talk about your Instagram username today. I'm going to share with you the 10 important things you need to know about it, especially if you use Instagram to promote your business, blog, brand, etc. So, without any further ado, I'm going to dive right in. Grab yourself a coffee, folks. You're about to learn some stuff. Number 1. Your username is the one with the symbol. You'll find it here on your Instagram profile. It's how people tag you in photos and other things, and it's also how you log in. Instagram will ask you for your username and password, although you can also log in with your phone number, email address, etc. Number 2. Changing it will also change your Instagram web link. I feel like this is one of the most important things you should know about your Instagram username, especially if you are using the platform to promote yourself or something else. Think about all of the places you've added your Instagram link. Do you have a blog? It's probably on there. It should be on your business website, if you have one. What about Pinterest? Or Facebook, YouTube? All of your YouTube video descriptions? Changing your username isn't always a simple process. I recommend doing it only when necessary. Number 3. Your username can't be the same as anyone else's. Your Instagram username is your identity, so it can't be the same as anyone else's. If someone else already has the username you want, you'll be told it's not available during the registration process. The same applies for when you want to change your Instagram username. If you're trying to pick one that has already been taken, Instagram will tell you it's not available and you should pick something else. Number 4. You cannot add emojis to your Instagram username. That's not the only thing you can't add either. Symbols, spaces, and other special characters are also not allowed. Number 5. You can add letters, obviously. You can also add numbers, underscores and full stops, also known as periods in the US, to your Instagram username. That's it though. That's as much fun as you're allowed to have with it. Number 6. You should pick a username that makes sense. If you have a bakery business called Jen's Cakes, it doesn't make sense to have an Instagram username like J5842EN. Potential followers won't be able to easily find you with that username. Nor will potential customers. A username like Jen's Cakes, on the other hand, is perfectly fine. That's if you can get that username, of course. There are so many Instagram accounts now that all of the good usernames have basically been taken. Sometimes you'll have to get a little inventive. I have a video on this coming soon. If you'd like to give it a watch, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much in advance. Number 7. Usernames have character limits. An Instagram username can only be a maximum of 30 characters. I originally wanted social media marketing for beginners, but that's too many characters. If you want my personal opinion, shorter usernames are better than longer ones. If you're expecting people to find you on the platform, using a username, you'll want to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. The longer it is, the harder it is for people to remember. Number 8. Instagram username changes are instant, but not always. If you have a relatively small and unknown account, changing your username will probably be an easy, straightforward experience. You head to your profile, hit the edit button, and then change whatever it is that you want to change. When you're done, hit the save button and you'll see the new details on your profile. If you have a larger account, however, Instagram might want to review the name change before they change it on your profile. There are lots of reasons for this, but the most obvious one is that the platform doesn't want you to change your username to something offensive or highly inappropriate when hundreds of thousands of people are going to see it. Number 9. You can add keywords to your Instagram username. If you don't know what keywords are, I have an entire playlist dedicated to that exact subject, plus Instagram search engine optimization. I promise you it's nowhere near as complicated as you think it is. I've broken everything down into easy-to-understand bite-sized chunks, and you can find the playlist on my channel. I'm also going to add the direct link to the description below this video. Number 10. Instagram has an inactive username policy. Yes, that's right. Instagram can essentially take your account, and your username, away from you if you don't use the app as regularly as they'd like. Most social platforms have an inactivity policy. If the account isn't used, it's basically closed down, and the username is made available to someone else. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't give a timeline as to when its inactive username policy kicks in, but it is recommended that you log into your account regularly, like other people's posts and comment on them, and share your own content. This means posting videos, photos, etc. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.